Hey, good morning, everybody. How we doing? All right, we're back at it today. We're going to start doing some of our activities. Your moms and dads should have got this in an email. Okay, if not, it'll be sent to you. Okay, it's got some different things that we're going to do for school stuff. Okay, and if you want to do some of that stuff with us, that'd be awesome. Okay, so now you have different things. So like the first thing says practice counting. Now you only have to do those things 2 or 3 times this week. So I was telling Jackson, you can do it Monday and Tuesday and then skip Wednesday and Thursday and do it Friday. Or you could do it Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, or skip today, not do it today, do it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, however you want to do it. Okay, but you don't have to do everything every day unless you want to. Okay, so this is the stuff we're going to do this week. All right, and down here on the bottom, it gives you what theme we're doing this week. This week we're going to talk about Easter stuff. Okay, so I'll have some Easter books and some Easter activities that I'll show you that maybe you can do at home. Okay, and coming up this Sunday is Easter. Okay, all right, so here we go. We're going to do the calendar stuff to start with. Okay, so Jackson's going to help me. Now, we didn't have school on Saturday. Okay, so we put up a number 4. Jackson put up the number 4 for Saturday. Just slide it in there. There you go. Yep, just like that. Okay, and then we didn't have school on Sunday, so that gets a number 5. Just slide it in there. All right, and then today we put in number 6. Okay. All right, so now we can see that this says Monday, April 6th, 2020. Okay, so today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. All right, the weather today, if we look outside today, it's nice and sunny out. Okay, I just got done with my run a little bit ago. Yeah, it's supposed to get to 62 degrees today. It's supposed to be nice today. Okay, now tomorrow it's supposed to rain a little bit, so tonight it's going to rain. So hopefully you get outside today and play. Okay, so it's going to be nice out. So it is right now, it is springtime, remember? It is sunny, and it is still a little cool right now. Later it'll warm up. It is April, yes. Okay? All right. Now, if you remember the days of the week, you can sing the days of the week right now. Okay? All right, and if you know the months, then you can sing the months. All right? Okay, and then we will go on, and we'll talk about the menu today. I don't know what I'm going to eat today. Maybe you do. I don't know. We'll have to find out what we want to make today. Okay? So who knows? I'll tell you tomorrow what I had for lunch. Okay? Last night we had Taco Bell. Jackson actually got some French fries from Arby's. Okay? But I had Taco Bell. Whoa. All right. So that was good stuff. All right. Let's do our days. Okay? Now, last time it was the 146th day of school. All right. Today makes 147. Oh, my marker's not working. Try this one. There we go. 147, and that means that we only have 33 days left of school. 33 days left. Okay? All right. Okay, now if you can remember, our first thing on our list today, okay, that we look at, it says practice counting by ones. So count from 1 all the way to 100 right now. Okay? Then when you're done, you count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, and then you can count by 10s. That's real easy. We do that all the time. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Jackson did that before I started the video. All right. Okay. Now we're going to go right down the list here. Jackson, get up here, buddy.
What?
You got to sit here with me. We're going to do your work. Okay, so Jackson's going to sit here while we do this. Okay, so we're going to chop off. We're going to put a check mark and number in the first box for Jackson. Okay. Right there, because he did that already before you guys even saw the video. All right, so we're going to count 20 things. Okay, so let's find 20 things. Let's get 20 cars, Jackson. Can you go get 20 cars? All right, so you guys can pause and get
over 20.
You guys can pause and get 20 things right now. That's the next part. Get 20 things. So you can get erasers, beads, pieces of cereal. If your mom and dad says it's okay, you can get chips or something, you know, cookies or whatever. But you gotta get 20 of them, okay? So, come on, man. Bring 20 of them over here. Slowpoke.
I just opened it.
Well, you should have brought the whole thing over here. It's all right. Come on. All right, I'm gonna go help him. I'll be right back.
I gotta bring 8. I bought 8.
You need 20.
I know. I have 8 cars. Oh no, I dropped one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 cars.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You need 2 more.
2 more cars.
All right, now if you have your stuff, because you paused and went and got your stuff, okay, so it says right now, it says to make 2 groups of 10. Okay, so remember, 10 and 10 makes 20. So we need 2 groups. Okay, a group over here and a group over here. Do that right now. Make a group of 10 and 2 groups. Okay, Jackson, can you do that? Can you make a group of 10 and then a group of 10?
Here's one car.
Yeah, he's got some pretty cool cars. So you see that one?
Look at this.
That was
This is
pretty
my
cool.
favorite car.
Okay, so this, okay, make your groups. So he said this is his favorite car.
Then we got some junky ones. That's plastic. 7, 8, 9. When I said 9, it looks like a 9 right here.
Mm-hmm.
10.
Good.
Queen.
All right, now the next part says to make 2 groups of 10.
2 groups.
We did that already.
Yeah.
Okay, now it says make 4 groups of 5. So we need 4 groups with 5.
4.
There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, right?
Mhm.
Okay, good. Now the next part says make 10 groups of 2.
10 groups of
10 groups with 2 in it.
1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. All right, good job. So if you did that, just like we
Look what
did.
this cut can do. It can open.
Oh, yeah. All right, so if you did that, you can mark off the second thing on the list. Okay? You can mark off the second thing. Very good. We go get your sister.
Okay.
JC's trying to climb up the side of the steps again. All right? Okay, so you can put your 10 things away, and then we're going to do some rhyming stuff next. Okay, so pause, put your stuff away, and come back. All right, now we're going to make a list of 10 rhyming word things. Okay, so remember, rhyming words are 2 words that sound the same at the end. Okay, like cat, hat. Okay, so I'm going to put some words on the board, and then you see if you can make a rhyming word. Okay? All right, so here we go with the first one, zip. What's a word that rhymes with zip? Jackson, what's a word that rhymes with zip? Like hat, cat sounds the same. Zip, what sounds the same?
Like what rhymes with it?
Yeah.
Hip.
Zip, hip. Okay. What about the word knot?
Hot.
Okay. What about bug?
Hug.
Okay. What about lick?
Flip.
Flick. Good one. All right. Let's try some more. Let's see here.
Bad.
Hang on. Don't say it yet. They can't see it.
I'm just saying.
Let's see.
We basically have two Sims. Wait, where's the other one? I'm gonna switch your car out.
All right. Here we go. Now we got some new words. How about bed? What rhymes with bed, Jackson?
Bed,
Yeah.
head,
Bed, head. What about fat? What rhymes with fat?
fat,
Fat hat. What rhymes with door?
more,
More. Good. And what rhymes with boy?
toy.
Toy. Good job. All right, we need 2 more. And that will make 10.
We have 2 trucks now.
Okay? How about, okay, they don't care about your trucks.
Yeah, they do.
All right, let's see about, all right, try these 2. Lick. What rhymes with lick? Flick. Again? All right, and what rhymes with blue? Who. Good job. All right, so if you guys did that with us, you can check off the next thing on the list, okay, which we will do right now. Okay, check off that. Now, the next part says practice the phonics dance. Practice all letters. So if you remember the phonics dance, right, what is A? What's the A sound? Abby. Abby is sad, right? What's B? Baby. Baby, right? C is C says k. C says k. C says k. Cat. Meow. Right? D. D. I'm digging dog. D. I'm digging dog. D is D. Okay? Now you see if you can do the rest of them. All right? Okay. Now, the next part is read a book in a silly voice. Okay, so if you have a book at home that you like to read, you can pause the video, go read that book, read it in a silly voice. So remember, you could do like a pirate voice, okay? Arr, right? Or you could do it in a squeaky voice like this. Oh my goodness, I can talk like this the whole time. Okay? Or you can be a grouchy voice. Junie B. Jones went to school. Right? Okay. So you know what I mean. All right? Okay, now the next part says name the author, the illustrator, the title, the setting, and characters in the book. All right, so let's talk about Junie B. Jones real quick. Okay, so we're reading Junie B. Jones, Smells Something Fishy. Now, the author is the person that wrote the book. Okay, right, wrote the book. So this one, it says it right here on top. Barbara Park is her name, Barbara Park. Okay, then it asks for the illustrator. Remember, the illustrator is the person that does what, Jackson?
Illustrator?
Yeah, what's the illustrator do? Draws the pictures. Good. Okay, so the illustrator draws the pictures. Then it asks for the title. What's the title, Jackson?
The title?
Yeah.
What the book's called?
Yeah, what the book is called, the name of the book. So in this one, it's Junie B. Jones, Smells Something Fishy. That's the name. Okay, the setting. Jackson, do you know what the setting is?
Nope.
The setting is where the book takes place. Where's the places in the book? Okay, so if we talk about Junie B. Jones, Jackson, you get that marker from her?
Okay.
JC's got a dry erase marker in her mouth. All right. So the setting is the places in the book. So in Junie B. Jones, it would be like the school, or her house, or her grandma's house. Okay, that type of thing is the setting. Okay. The characters. The characters are the people and the animals in the book. So Junie B. Jones' book, the people or animals is Junie B. Jones, Mrs., her mom, her dad, her brother Ollie, Lucille,
It doesn't even work.
that Grace, her dog Tickle,
She
right?
is a dog.
Her stuffed animals like Philip Johnny Bob and Raggedy Ann and Raggedy Ruth and Raggedy Larry or whatever. Okay, those things are her the characters. Okay, and her grandma and grandpa also
I'm
characters.
gonna hit you.
Okay, so you can read a book and then mark that down on that
Fire.
one. Quit. You're supposed to be doing this with me. Put that down.
Why?
Because
It's fun.
Sit down and do this.
You made it go.
Sit down and do this.
I am.
You're not, because we're not going to check it off if you don't do it. All right. Now the next part, we're going to skip down to writing. Okay, so it says finish the sentence. Okay, so you can do this a couple of times. Okay, so the first one says finish the sentence. Says my favorite thing to do at school is what? Because why? So maybe your favorite thing at school is recess because I get to play with my friend Jackson. Okay? Or you can say my favorite thing to do at school is centers because I like doing cool crafts. Okay? Or cool centers or whatever. Okay? All right, so that's the next part. If we go down to the next one, it says write or type 15 sight words. 15 sight words. So let's go through some sight words real quick so you remember what your sight words are. Okay? So Jackson, can you say them? Ready?
Dog.
Good.
Good. We don't have these two.
2.
Dog.
Good. Good. You read it backwards. What's this one?
2.
2.
Go. There.
There.
Go.
Go.
There. 4.
With. Good.
4.
Mm-hmm.
With.
Remember that one?
No.
What?
I don't have that one.
What? This one?
Do.
Do.
What? What?
What?
Do.
How do you know that's the word?
Because.
You don't know. Do.
Do. Be.
Mm-hmm.
Sow.
Was. Was.
Can.
Can.
Was.
Was. Can.
Where.
Where.
That was upside down. Am.
And last one is
We.
we. Good job. All right, so now you can take those words that we just did, you can type them. If you don't have a computer or something that you can type on, you can just write them on a paper, okay? And what I want you to do with this stuff is keep all your papers in your folder, your homework folder, okay? All right? Or you have a notebook, you can keep it in a notebook. So just keep turning the pages and keep your stuff in a notebook, okay? So that's what we're gonna have to do, okay? All right, now the next thing, now this first one you might not be able to do until Easter, okay? Until the Easter Bunny comes. The first one says to sort your Easter candy. Now remember, if we sort things, we put them in different groups, right? So maybe you get some jelly beans, and you get some chocolate eggs, and maybe you get some Peeps, okay? You can put them all in different groups, okay? And then it says you want to sort and graph your jelly beans. Now, if you don't get jelly beans, maybe you get M&Ms, or you get Reese's Pieces or Skittles or something. You can put them in groups, right? And then put in a graph. We put them in rows going up and down, okay? And then you can see which one has the most, which one has the least, which one has the medium amount, stuff like that. Do you remember doing that? Okay. All right, the next part says, how many bunny hops does it take to go from your bedroom and to the bathroom and then to the front door? Okay, so that's kind of like measuring like we did last week, right? So you want to do bunny hops. So bunny hop from your bed all the way to the bathroom.
And that's easy for
And then
me.
do bunny hops from the bathroom to the front door.
Because when I get out of my bedroom, there's the bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom is right outside of Jackson's room. So it don't have to go very far. Okay? So see if you guys can do those
Then I
things.
have to go to the front door.
Yeah, we'll have to do that after a bit. Okay, so see if you guys can do those things at home. Okay? And make sure you write it down how many bunny hops it was. Maybe you do little bunny hops today and do big bunny hops tomorrow. And then maybe you do one-legged bunny hops tomorrow, the next day.
I'm going to do
Okay?
like it
All right.
today.
Now the last thing on your list is to practice your sight words. Okay, now you don't have to do them all at the same time, right? Just like we do. We do a little bit each day. So do a little bit today, maybe do a little bit tomorrow, the next day, and then do a little bit again the next day after that. Okay? All right, so make sure you're practicing all those things. Okay? Anything else you want to tell them before we go? No? Oh, I do have your daily challenge today. Okay? So our daily challenge, we have two things. One is to have a hula hoop challenge. Okay? How many times can you do a hula hoop? We got some hula hoops. Maybe we'll do a hula hoop challenge outside later. Okay? And the last thing is your second challenge is try to read.
How I do my hula hoop.
Okay. All right. Try to read today, but when you do it, read upside down. See if you can read a book upside down. Maybe sit on your couch and lay backwards off the end of the couch or on your bed or something and see if you can read upside down. Okay? All right. We'll be back later today to read Junie B. Jones. I hope you had a good weekend. Okay, we had a good weekend. Gotten outside and doing some stuff. Okay? All right, Jackson wants to show you his hula hoop real quick, and then we'll get out of here. Okay, so here we go. Flip you around here. All right, Jackson. All right. All right. Well, we will see you later today when we do Junie B. Jones. All right. Everybody have a good day. Eat some good lunch. See you later.